What is up guys, this is Jay here and welcome to yet another video of tricky solution. And sometimes we face that our apps crashing randomly, and this is horrible when you face such kind of problem. And in this video I'm gonna show you how we can solve the problem. It may occur for many reasons. One of the main reasons is lack of free space. Let's check my space setting, then I have to go general, then iPhone storage. Here you can see I have used 53 GB out of 64 GB. If your space is lower than 1 GB left, then this problem is gonna happen. Make sure there's enough space. That means you have enough space, like you have free space more than 1 GB or more. It may crash any other reason, like you are using the updated version of the app or not. If you have any update, then just update it. Suppose my messenger crashed randomly, then I just checked my update of the app. Let's go to the app store and check the update. Here you can see the update, and I have to update this one. And to just wait here for a few seconds. And here you can see it's already updated, and there's no update for my messenger. And I hope your problem will be solved. And if you are still facing such kind of problem, just check your iOS update. Just go back, and here you can see the software update available. Just update this one and update this one and just install it, and afterward your problem will be solved. I hope you guys got the solution, and if you guys like my video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.